Hi y'all, I wanted to do a video. I'm looking at these toys and I'm like, they're so awesome. Thought I'd share that with you. We got G.I. Joe Party. Yes, y'all. We got the Batman tumbler. The Stinger is awesome. We got Tiger joining the party. Tiger Lee. These are big now. These toys are big scale. My Stinger is awesome. I love it. I'm glad I got 2 Jeeps now at the Vamp. I'm glad that I bought the Stinger. I love it. This one has a floorboard for Joe figures, Cobra figures. Yes, y'all. Check out the Joe figures. And the Vamp. Yes, y'all. Tiger Paw. Yes, y'all. The Lamborghini is awesome. It fits in there. I love to stare at it. It's so big. Got Optimus Prime. Got the tank. Got the helicopter. Got Superion. I'm so happy with the Superion. I like to stare at it. Yes, y'all. This is probably the best Transformer ever. Yes, y'all. Put his lights on. Oops. That faceplate keeps coming out. There it is. Don't want to lose that. Yes, y'all. Superion. These toys are so big. Yes, y'all. I'm very happy with them. Can't believe I went to the next level. I'm running out of space. And I love toys. I want to keep going to the next level. Yes, y'all. The Stinger's so awesome. The bad guy. It has these cool things that the Vamp doesn't have. I love it. Yeah. This thing keeps popping off, almost losing it. Oh, there we go. Now I got it. Yes, y'all. The Cobra Driver. Lost his helmet. Cobra Driver. Stinger Driver. Yes, y'all. Get his hat on there. And can stick him on here, on the back. Yes, y'all. Can't do that with the Vamp. Yes, y'all. The Lamborghini is all big. The tires are about the same size as these 1/12 scale vehicles. The same size as Optimus Prime vehicles. This keeps popping off. I'm gonna lose that. Yes, y'all. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for subscribing. It's amazing. I always check on how I'm doing, and like every day I get like 1, 2, maybe 4 subscribers. Yes, y'all. Superion. So awesome to own this. I was just looking at this stuff. I was like, I gotta do a video. This stuff is so awesome. Yes, y'all. Put his other head on there. Yes, y'all. Superion. Yes, yes, y'all. Look at these toys from all angles. Big toys, it's worth it. It's taking up all my space. Doesn't look like there's anything I want to get now. I got them all. Yes, yes, y'all. Toy Fortune can get any toy I wish for. Can't get a real Lambo. I can't do like that. But any toy I seem to be able to get, even if I gotta wait a little bit, I could get it. Yes, yes, y'all. And I share it with you guys. Yes, yes, y'all. G.I. Joe with the Lambo. Yes, yes, y'all. Superion. I take these outside, and by making those videos, I lost this canister in the back here. I lost one of Torpedo's missiles. So when I take these videos, when I take these toys outside, I risk losing pieces. These ammo clips can lose that. But I think it's worth it for the video. Got the turtle van in there too.